guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about faith. In Galatians, faith often receives translations such as faithfulness, emphasizing loyalty, reliability, and long-term trust. However, the word carries both vertical and horizontal dimensions, steadfast trust in God and dependable presence towards others. The larger letter contrasts a life blown around by impulses with a steady life in allegiance to Christ and the good of the community. Empirical research observes that long-term religious commitment links with a range of flourishing outcomes. Participation in religious services predicts higher happiness, greater meaning and purpose, better health behaviors, and stronger relationships, even when studies control for many background variables. Reviews of spirituality and health argue that part of this effect rises from stable frameworks of belief and practice that guide behavior across decades. Meditation and prayer research shows how sustained practices shapes brain structure and function. Meta-analysis of morphometric neuroimaging finds consistent changes in regions for self-reflection, introspection, and emotional balance among committed practitioners. Functional work with long-term meditators shows the capacity to generate stable, high-amplitude gamma synchrony across large neural networks during focused states. These findings suggest that years of disciplined attention can ingrain coherent patterns that persist amid distraction. In photosynthetic complexes and radical pair magnetoreception systems, coherence allows delicate quantum states to survive long enough to influence macroscopic behavior, even in warm, fluctuating environments. And there is a source to that down in the channel bio in the Quietly Entered Bibliography. For birds navigating by Earth's magnetic fields, this coherence supports accurate orientation throughout migrations across seasons and continents. Faithfulness reflects similar endurance. Circumstances change, doubts arise, communities experience conflict, and yet a faithful person continues to orient the heart and action towards a trusted center. In neural terms, this faith stabilizes large-scale networks that keep value representations and narratives active even when emotional weather shifts. Religious rituals, shared stories, and personal disciplines all contribute to this stability, aligned with the flourishing data that link suggests engagement with better outcomes. From a quantum biological viewpoint, faithfulness signals that human consciousness can hold coherent orientation under noise when anchored in meaningful patterns. The spirit is the field that sustains alignment between inner conviction, communal life, and daily behavior so that inner cohesion doesn't collapse under random fluctuations.